Today's video, let's learn how to use Progressive Snapshot program. So first of all, you have to sign up for its program. So open your browser and type in Progressive Snapshot program. Open the first link of Progressive, select code and sign up. If you would like to learn more, you may go ahead and watch this video. You can easily find it in their site. So type in your zip code, and sign up. After you sign up, what you have to do is, as you sign up, you have to choose your participation method, the mobile app or plug-in device. If you choose the device, it will be mailed to you. You must install it in your car within 45 days. And if you choose the app, download it from your App Store or Play Store and follow the setup prompts. 2 is drive and allow monitoring. First of all, you have to install the device and simply locate under the dashboard or grant the mobile app the necessary permission on your phone. Drive as normally as you would, and the program will monitor factors like hard braking, high speeds, and time of day. And likewise, as you use it, you can check your progress anytime through the online account or mobile app to see your driving status. And lastly, you will receive your discount. After monitoring period is complete, this could be around 30 days. So Progressive will provide you with the information on your potential discount based on your driving habits. And so on and so forth. This is how you will receive the discount, guys. This is how you can do the program. Thank you for watching.